Expeditions. This is Aaron. And I took the drive shaft out of my 2008 JK Wrangler. Sorry about the light behind me. And it has the rzeppa, the CV joint they call it. Okay, that's bad. You can look back in here, and my boot is busted at the bottom, right there. It's no good. Here you can hear it. Okay. What I have for replacement is the TerraFlex rebuild kit. See, here it is. It's got all the rebuild kit, the new nice rubber boot, and this is what you need when you have a lift kit on a Jeep. And here's the item number on the side for the JK, 1744014, TerraFlex. All right. Thought I'd show you what a bad CV joint is like, and if you're having that problem of your boot is busted, that's cheaper than buying a whole new drive shaft, which a whole new drive shaft is probably around $500, $5 to $600, something in that vicinity. That part's around about $168, something like that, tax including everything. So, all right, thank you all. Have a nice day, and God bless.